Good morning, children. How are you? In previous class, I taught you sound of A. Today we will study sound of E. E sound words. First topic is EN sound words. The sound of E is A, N is N, N, N. First word is H-E-N. Sound of H is H, N, hen. Next, M-E-N. Sound of M is M, N. Next, P-E-N. P-N. Pen. Next, D-E-N. D-N. Next topic is ET sound words. The sound of E is A, T is T. At, at. First word is N-E-T. N-E-T. Net. Next word is W-E-T. The sound of W is W. The sound of W is W. W, at, wet. Next word is M-E-T. M, at, met. Next, L-E-T. L, at, let. Next topic is EG sound words. The sound of E is A, G is G. First word is L-E-G. Leg, leg. Next word is P-E-G. Egg, peg. Next, B-E-G. Egg, bag. Next, E-double-G. Egg. That's all for today. Goodbye everyone. Stay home, stay safe.